Alright, here we have a Dollarama brand called Tasteful and chicken stock cubes. And there's 12 of these for a pack for $1.25, and they're not bad. Compared to like the Knorr, and the OXO cube and stuff, they're pretty decent. The only catch is, I find, myself personally, is that you had to use 2 cubes instead of 1. This is how they come, old school style. And tells you how to prepare it and store in a cool, dry place. Product of Spain. And the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Expiry date or best before is 2021, February 28th. But again, folks, this is one of them products where there's so much salt in it. They're good for a long time. Cupboard stuff, Yeah, for $1.25, can't go wrong. But yeah, so like for the Knorr stuff, I find you use like this amount, but for this brand, you use this amount. But still, better than $5, right? The quality's pretty decent. I'd say 7 out of 10. Maybe, yeah, 7 out of 10 is fair. Alrighty, thanks for watching.